Hey, I'm Spenny, and this is the first thing I ever circuit bent. And if we're being honest, it was a bit of a disaster. I mean, it started pretty bad. I went to record it all, like for a video for this channel, only to realize I didn't have a screwdriver that could fit in the recessed holes on the back of this. So I had to stop recording, go out to the store, get some new screwdrivers. Pretty much all the bends I found have been manifested as permanent features in this, but the output doesn't work, mostly for the fact that I didn't do the thing where you take down the speaker signal to a more appropriate level. So if you plug this in, it's just garbage. One of my earliest and still most successful videos, I circuit bent this toy keyboard. A funny thing about that is this doesn't even work anymore. It's something in the battery compartment that has broken off, so you can't actually power this thing on at all. Fun. I'll fix that later. I do get people saying like, yo, Spenny, I got myself an SK1, which is a beautiful thing, doesn't need any circuit bends done to it, if we're being honest. They say, yo, Spenny, I've never circuit bent before. I got myself this classic keyboard. How do I bend it? And I mean, the advice is start with something you don't mind if you break. Like, there's no guarantee when you open something up to circuit bend it or even repair it that you'll be able to get it back together in the same way. So anyways, let's take a... Woo! Let's take a look at some of the sounds that can come out of this because they're pretty fun. All right, so let's just take a look at some of what this can do. So this has different voices. You can see some of the buttons aren't working, and a point I would like to make is that if you try and circuit bend something, you have no guarantee it's going to survive the process, right? So this is like a touch bend. You kind of can modulate the pitch. So then these buttons are hooked up to the screws I have up here. Again, you can touch them to change the resistance. You can also bridge them to do some crazy stuff. So just do some demos of that. If I haven't said this already, feel free to sample whatever sounds I make here. This one just does... Yeah, so that's pretty much that. The reason I wanted to talk about this today is because it got a lot of use in a song I made for the Magpie Pirates Discord. Great little community of music weirdos. We recently did a collaborative project where the prompt was weird instruments. And so not only did I use this, I also made it my goal to use as many weird instruments as I owned. First thing I ever circuit bent. Yazik, you gotta have it. My pitch shifting guitar amp tape recorder guy. The automaton. This souvenir ocarina. This souvenir drum. This circuit bent portable television. This telephone converted into microphone. This my first tape recorder. Oh lordy. Oh lordy. And last but not least, the stylophone. So them's just my weird instruments. I forgot I also used the ducks. I'm going to link the entire video for weird instruments because not only did my entirely unhinged performance premiere there, I also edited 2 other videos within the collaboration. And honestly, the whole thing's pretty great and represents, well, let's just put it this way. Everyone else used their weird instruments to do something tasteful and interesting, whereas I did this. Enjoy. Attention shoppers, we're about to lay down some knowledge regarding summertime fashion. So let's get started and drop a beat. Alright, you already know what it is. Magpie Pirates Weird Instrument Collab. This song is about denim shorts. Let's go! Let me tell you about this one time when I took some clothes up off the clothesline. Look at my jeans looking not so fine. Got some holes in the knees, means it's cut off shorts time. Sounds pretty easy. Of course, gonna turn these jeans into cut off jean shorts. So I took some scissors and I began to cut. Not too short, don't wanna see my butt. Cut was kinda rough, looking rough, I'm afraid. And before I knew it, threads were frayed, so I pinned up a hem and began to sew. And next thing you know, I had Jorts. Jorts.
I've seen the inner workings of the universe and gained the knowledge of all cosmos. But I'm here to tell you this one thing. A Jort purchased is a Jort untrue. Make your own Jort and make the Jort your own.
Thanks for that, my guy. So we're gonna look at some celebrity jorts now, and my rap flow is gonna get quite educational. Let's go! Kevin Smith. He's lost a lot of weight, but even now, his jorts aren't great. A jort should end above the knee and taper in, or else too baggy. Daisy Dukes, if you go femme, no shorter than Tobias for jorting men. See Cena's shorts? Yes, you can, but rough looks better than a hem. Well, that's about it for my jorting rules. I wear 'em in the streets and I wear 'em by the pool. And one final lesson you didn't learn in school: you always look cool when you wear jorts. Jorts. Hey, thanks for checking that out. By all means, if you have any questions about circuit bending and how to get started, feel free to ask them down below. If you thought this was a fun video, I'd really appreciate that like. And if you wouldn't mind, as of recording this, I'm at about 210 subscribers, halfway to my goal of 420, and you can help me get there. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.